Okay, now we're into the next unit where we're talking about multiple cutting tools. Here's where the headaches start in terms of a different way to go about setting tools length offset on both mills and lathes. And so you can have the master tool method, the preset tools, or dummy master modifications. These are some possibilities that are there. For mill cutter length offsets, a controller adjustment to allow usage of any length cutting tools in the setup. That's the first thing, a variable factor that allows the programmer to envision all tools as having the same length. And so when any tool is programmed to go to Z as 0.0, each goes there exactly no matter what the length may be. An adjustment that allows quick replacement of cutting tools with differing lengths. When a new tool replaces an old, the offset is readjusted. Length offsets are not in the program, they are stored in the control. The program refers to them for length adjustments or Z-axis moves. So there's three different ways to deal with tool length. Mostly for milling cutters, these are three different ways CNC shops deal with tool lengths and setups. One, random length and operator testing. At setup time, cutting tools are mounted, then tested individually for their length. The compensating lengths offset is stored in tool memory. Two, you can have random length and pre-testing. The cutting tool length is noted before sending the toolkit to the machine. The tool length offset list is loaded into the control along with a program. And three, tool presets. Here, the tools are adjusted to a standard length for each tool before sending them to the machine. This requires special tool holders capable of adjustment. For tool length offsets, when the programmer wrote the program, he had some idea how long the cutting tools would need to be, but not their exact length. If the shop uses presets of cutting tools, then the programmer can dictate the length and that tools will arrive at the machine set at that length. Towards standardizing process, some shops create a preset menu of tools. It may say, for example, that there are two 1.000 inch diameter end tools, 1.0 inch long, and the second 1.5 inch long. This requires length setting tool holders. For tool length offsets, a modern tool presetting workstation can either determine and load tool offsets into the control along with a program, or it can physically set tools to the perfect repeating length. Not all shops use presetting methods, which means that the setup person must load random length tools into the machine. So for machinist responsibility, when tools are not preset, it is the setup person's job to determine length differences and store them in length offset memory. There are two general methods, master position and master tool. For all opinion, more than any other subject in CNC, you'll need to study the text as to how each process works. An assignable number of tryout accidents occur from not getting this setup right. So for the master tool method, let me go ahead and take a break and I'll get into this in just a second.